How to access TikTok Shop. Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you are easily able to access the TikTok Shop on the TikTok application. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and hit the subscribe button as well. Now let's begin. The first thing you need to do is open up your TikTok and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you are logged in, tap on your profile section at the bottom right corner. Once you get to your profile, you'll see the hamburger icon on the top right. Now you'll have different options like Creator Tools, My QR Code, Settings, and Privacy. Just head over to Creator Tools, but if you don't see it here, then you might be able to see it on your Settings and Privacy right on top somewhere around here. And once you open up your Creator Tools, if the TikTok Shop is available on your region, it should show up right on top. But if you are not able to see it, then that means that TikTok Shop is not available on your region. So in that case, what you can do is go ahead and tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the bottom until you see Report a Problem. Just tap on it, and here you will find different options that you can choose from. Then what you're going to do now is scroll down to the bottom and you'll have an option to submit a report. Then you're just going to tell the TikTok's help and support team that you're not able to find your TikTok shop or access it. Then after you have done so, you are able to add 4 screenshots and 1 video. Then they will contact you on your email or phone number, and they should bring a possible solution to you. That's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.